Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial on how to create a Google slide. There's several different ways that we can do this. So one of the first things that you can do is go into your app drawer on the left-hand side by clicking the button. Right here, we see there's a Google slide. It's this yellow one. If we click on it, it's going to take us to slides.com. I guess it's docs.com, but it's presentations. And what we can see here are all the different Google Slides that I have. If you wanted to create a blank one, you can press the plus button right here, or you can take a template off the sides. So I want to create a blank one. When I press the plus button here, it's just going to create a blank presentation in my Drive. It won't be organized, and I'll show you how that looks later. So in order for it to save, I need to type in a title, or I need to start creating something on the actual slide deck right here. Now, I don't want this one to save, so I'm just going to get out of this. I'm going to go back into my app drawer, and I want to go into Google Drive. This is another place where you can create a Google slide. So I was talking earlier about the random files that are unorganized. Here are the random files that are unorganized in my Drive. It can be really hard to find things when they're unorganized. So I could create a new slide using the app, or I can do it right in Google Drive by pressing the New button, and then I go down to Slides and I press Slide, and it'll open the same untitled presentation. So if I give it a name, and again, if I add something to the slide deck, it will save into my Google Drive, but it will be an unorganized file. Now, my favorite way of creating new files is to go into the folder that I actually want them to live in. So I created this demo folder to show you things. And here's where I want to create a Google slide. So I'm going to press New now that I'm inside of that folder, and I'm going to press Google Slide. And this time I want it to save, so I'm actually going to give it a title. And I'm going to call this one a 21-cent test. And then I press Enter, and it will save. If I wanted to add something to this, I could, maybe I'll just add a quick shape here. So I'm going to add a nice triangle. There it is. There's my triangle. Everything that I do now will be saved, and it will be saved in that folder where I created the file. So if I close this tab and I go back to my folder, there's my 21-cent test for the Google slide, and I can open it up. And that's all there is to creating a new Google slide. Thanks for watching.